Westford University College is one of our biggest partners, and I think it's a very profitable and rewarding partnership that we have with Westford. It's one of our oldest, our first partnerships that we have at Abertay University, and we value this partnership with Westford University College. I'm Dr. William Graham. I'm the Head of Teaching Quality and Learning Enhancement at Abertay University, and I'm responsible for our international and UK partners. So I was invited here to Westford University College today to deliver a lecture on research methodology to master's students as part of the bootcamp, which I found to be an extremely rewarding experience. 55 students in the room, all from different backgrounds, and they shared their knowledge and their thoughts with me on a regular basis, which I found was very exciting. Research methodology can be quite a dry subject, but with the input from the students and their questions, it made it very rewarding, and I hope that the students all found something rewarding from it. I would just like to say I would wish everybody here, the staff and students at the college, the best of luck in the future with their future studies and programmes.